went to his home and sat, ay, pala doon kayo magagaling, kuya. Tapos, invite mo si kuya na mag-dinner. Invite mo siya. So Jesus went to his home, sat down to eat. When a certain immoral woman from that city heard he was eating there, she brought a beautiful alabaster jar filled with expensive perfume. Then she knelt. Then she knelt behind him at his feet, weeping. Laughing. Her tears fell on his feet, and she wiped them off with her hair. Ulitin ko, she knelt behind him at his feet, weeping. Her tears fell on his feet, and she wiped them off with her hair. Then she kept kissing his feet and putting perfume on them. Ayan. So, ito po yung scene 1. Yan yung unang kwento. So, ano po yung sabihin ng Pharisees? One of the Pharisees, ibig sabihin ng